It is indeed my great pleasure to participate at the webinar, 100 Years of Communist Party of China, Views of the Globe, organized by the Institute of Peace and Diplomatic Studies. Communist Party of China, the greatest political party of the world, the party who leads the country and the people for magnificent and extraordinary social and economic development. China became the world's second largest economy and the first developing country to achieve the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal on poverty eradication under the leadership of Communist Party of China. Despite China's massive and multi-ethnic population, the Communist Party of China has managed to preserve the unity and harmony of all the people, peace among all the minority nationalities. This is very important to a country to go ahead with the targets without unrest. I can point out 11 reasons behind the CPC miracle of achievements. First, Communist Party of China is in pursuit high ideals. Secondly, Communist Party of China has always attached importance to theoretical innovation. Thirdly, Communist Party of China has a mechanism for selecting the best. Fourthly, Communist Party of China has strict discipline and rules. Fifthly, Communist Party of China is constantly reforming and improving itself. Sixthly, Communist Party of China provides strong leadership. Seventhly, Communist Party of China always adhere to the lofty philosophy of people-centered development to firmly uphold the fundamental interest of all Chinese people. Eighthly, Communist Party of China always stick to the party's leadership and give full play to the advantages of the socialist system. Ninthly, Communist Party of China always explore new development philosophies in line with the China's national conditions in response to evolving circumstances. Tenthly, Communist Party of China always ensure that the party exercises effective self-supervision and seeks self-governance and maintain excellent vitality and vigor. Lastly, Communist Party of China always persists in working for the cause of human progress and contributing to global peace and development. Recent years, we witnessed massive poverty alleviation campaign. In just 7 years, Communist Party of China lifted nearly 100 million people out of poverty and eradicated absolute poverty. Poverty eradication is the most vivid demonstration of the philosophy of putting people front and center. Since 1978, China has lifted 770 million rural residents out of poverty, which accounts for more than 70% of the global total over the same period. That means China have achieved the poverty reduction targets set out in the UN 2030 agenda a decade ahead of schedule. I must say one of the main reasons for this achievement is the leadership of Communist Party of China. Since the 18th National Congress of Communist Party of China, General Secretary Xi Jinping himself has been working to command, strategize, and oversee efforts to reduce poverty. He has attended to many conferences, investigations, field visits on poverty alleviation. Under his leadership, millions of party officials have worked hard with concrete measures. This is the spirit of Chinese communists. General Secretary Xi Jinping is a party leader and people's leader who has a great vision. His vision is unique to the country as well as the entire world. Since the 18th National Congress of Communist Party of China, he attached great and important attention to the formation and implementation of discipline of the party. He opened a path to explore the mistakes and correct it. He cleaned corruption of the party. Communist Party of China became more and more wiser with these actions. With his determination, Communist Party of China became both ruling and revolutionary party. General Secretary Xi Jinping always stressed the importance of building the party with ideology and strengthening the party with theories. The Communist Party of China created a history of striving for independence and prosperity for the nation, as well as liberation and happiness for the people. Without the leadership of Communist Party of China, Chinese nation cannot be where they are now in terms of social and economic achievements. Communist Party of China work for the well-being of the Chinese people, for the rejuvenation of the Chinese nation, as well as for the peace and development of mankind. Over the past 100 years, Communist Party of China united and led the people to build their country by self-reliance and hard work, and then to fight the battle against poverty with strong determination, concerted efforts, and unwavering faith. The Communist Party of China has always relied on the people, served the people, and been deeply rooted in the people. The Communist Party of China and the Chinese people are never inseparable. Communist Party of China comes from the people and serves the people. Its original aspiration and mission has always been to seek the happiness of the Chinese people. Communist Party of China shoulders the great mission of national rejuvenation, unites the mobilizes various social forces, and leads China to a path of peaceful rise. Communist Party of China actively promotes the building a community with a shared future for mankind and firmly seeks peace and development for humanity, and ready to march towards socialism with Chinese characteristics for new era. Today, the Chinese people are more confident than ever in the path, theory, system, and culture of socialism with Chinese characteristics. There are 6,000 parties in the world. Out of that, more than 60 parties are 100 years old. Concluding my speech, I must say all the parties should learn from Communist Party of China to achieve common prosperity with strong social and economic development. Once again, I would like to thank Ms. Farhat Asif, founder president, and Mr. Asif Noor, founding director of IPDS, of inviting me to this excellent meeting. Thank you.